Welcome to Jaens Spa Center Ubud, a place where tranquility, comfort, and relaxation come together just for you. Upon your arrival at Jaens Spa Center Ubud, you will be greeted with our signature welcome drink to refresh your body and perfectly begin your relaxation journey. At the front of the spa, you will find our Jaens Store, where you can take home a selection of premium spa products and body care products. At the lobby and the reception area, you can make a reservation, consult about your preferred treatments, and enjoy a peaceful atmosphere before your session begins. In Jaens Spa Center Ubud, we also provide you a private treatment rooms for both individual guests or a couple guests, which is designed to provide you comfort, tranquility, and complete your privacy. For a more exclusive experience, we offer you our suite room with a bathtub. It's perfectly for flower baths, bubble baths, and romantic spa package for couples. In our foot massage and reflexology area, you can just relax your feet after a long day activity. It will help you to improve your blood circulation and relieve fatigue. Complete your relaxation with our hair and salon services. Start from hair washing, hair mask, and cream bath, to refreshing your hair drying treatment. In the beauty room at Jaens Spa Center, we offer you a variety of facial and body beauty treatment, which is handled by our experienced therapists. Each of the treatment will help your skin look healthier, fresher, and more radiant. After your entire treatment experience is complete, you will be served a closing drink as a perfect finishing touch to your relaxation journey. Jaens Spa Center is ready to deliver you the finest experience for both your body and your mind. We look forward to welcoming you at Jaens Spa Center.